Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful French manicure ombre look using dip powders. So it actually took me 3 different tries with 3 different methods before I finally came up with the method that worked best for me. So I'll be taking you through all 3 methods in this video. So as you can see, my client's nails are short. So I applied these tips to extend the length, and then I just proceeded with the usual process of applying the dip powder to cover her natural nail and the tip. I used a French pink dip powder as her base. Then I went ahead and filed her nails as usual. This was attempt number 1 at the ombre effect. I used my kit's base coat along with the white dipping powder and just dipped the tip in multiple times, working my way up to her cuticle, and as you can see, it didn't quite work. In my second attempt, I used a base coat that's used usually with an LED or UV light and flash cured it under an LED light for about 10 seconds before dipping it into the white using the same dipping technique as in the first attempt. This attempt was a complete fail too. So in my third and successful attempt, I actually used a makeup brush to apply the dipping powder. So I started with the dipping powder kit's base coat, as you can see me applying here, and then after applying that, I did not let it activate or anything. I let that stay tacky. Then I went ahead and I took my makeup brush and dipped it into the white powder and then gently sprinkled it at the tip of the nail heavily and then more lightly as I got closer to the cuticle. When you're sprinkling the powder, what you want to do is hold the makeup brush over the nail and just gently tap the brush to distribute the powder. As you can see, I'm twisting her finger to control where the powder gets distributed. Again, in order to create the ombre effect, you want to concentrate most of that powder closest to the tip and then gradually lighten as you get closer to the cuticle. I repeated this technique several times to get the level of opacity that I desired. And that is pretty much all, folks. Once you're done completing this process for all the other nails, what you want to do is go over it with your clear and then go ahead and file and buff as usual and then finish it with your top coat. And that is pretty much it. And here it is again, all finished. As you can see, it turned out beautiful and it was so simple. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos. I do a tutorial on how to actually use the dip powder system that I showed you in this video. So please check that out as well as my other videos. Thanks again for watching.